Good evening to all. Good evening, my all dear members. So today we are going to hear our Rotarian Arul Prakasham. He is basically from Chennai. He is one of our best friends. He has a long history with Google. One out of the he is one out of the two edges who were picked by Google for his for their Google's supported meetup. Okay, so he led us that Rock and Learn supported meetup, which was conducted in Chennai in December. He is one of the senior most LGs from India. 2009, a relationship with Google, and actually, why we called him here today is especially he's an expert in Google road making or road drawing. He has probably he himself will be explaining more than I think 300 roads or so is goes to his credit. He is also a Google Map Maker trusted tester since 2013. With all that, I request Arul Prakasham to start us and teach us how to draw a road in Google Maps. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving this good opportunity to me. And first, I will remember last year we are conduct one direct physical meetup that I will share first one. After that, I will start my training session. Just wait, please. All are seen this picture. Last year, 5th May, we conduct chain meetups. That's called Heritage Meetup. This is first meetup on Chennai Egmore Railway Station. That time I meet Traveler G on that meeting. After that, we conduct many more meetups. I host one meetup in Heritage Food in one hotel. That is Food Crawl meetup. This is my first meeting, Traveler G, and this is Lambert. This is RSD. We are meet on that day, and Satya Pratap also here. Just hold on. Satya. I think this is Satya. No.
No. No.
Yeah, just. This is Satya, today host, and now I start my map making. Just hold on. I back again. Dear friends, first we go to our map app. Find without road area. Find without road area. I am now in Chennai, so this area is fulfilled. So I go to other area in rural area. Before that, we are change our satellite view mode. That is, we can find the without drawing area. So that is useful for. Before that, you can select satellite mode and zoom out. Zoom out. So in Andhra Pradesh, I go Andhra Pradesh rural area, any village. Zoom in. So this is, I find one small village. This route are not drawing. So you find it. I pin that location. This is not drawing road. So okay, how we confirm the without drawing? So select default map mode. You seen that road is not dry. So then you can go satellite mode. This is confirmed without drying. So first we go contribution, just contribution, select edit map. All are seen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I think my another system is not showing that. That is I am asking for you. Just wait. I will try that system. Okay. Select missing roads. Select this area. One round mark is there. That is a marked pinpoint. After that, you correct locate that one here. Put add point in right side in this, and scroll map in. Again you can add plus point, scroll up, again plus plus, add plus plus plus, finish this area. For one more road is joining this location. So this is for you can end this interaction area. After that, so maybe it will be slow. So we finish this interaction area. After that, you can select next in right side corner.
Top right side. Top right side.
Top right side. Top right side. Select next. Select next. After that, you know that road area, road name. You can put that road name. If don't know that road name, you write unnamed road. Unnamed road. Okay. Unnamed road. And road type, this is local road. Select local road. Select local road. If any messages, you have any messages, put here. If don't any message, no problem. You can click right side upper corner, send. Send. So now new road edit was okay. I will try in continue that road. Select edit map. Missing road. I already finish this location. I start from here again. Again. I end. I last drawing was ended here only. I start here again. Put plus point. If you don't have any interaction roads, you continue drawing that road. If you have any interaction, you close that area only. So one more interaction, it is not a road, so I will continue that road in continuously. Maybe come, this is one interaction on subdivision road. So we close this area for, after that only we continue next edit. This is, we got another one more edit in continue. So I go next, select road name. I don't know that road name. I select unnamed road. This is local road. I select local road. I don't have any messages for further detail. So I can submit, send in right side corner. Right side corner, I can send it. Now my edit is completed. I got 15 points. After Google verified that road, this credit will be updated in my points. That in case this is in waiting for approval. So one more. Now this edit is completed. Any doubts? I continue again. If you want this, I will continue. And any
Yes, sir. I have,
okay.
Sir, Arul Prakasham, sir, I have two questions. One,
Okay.
when after sending the map, when I went back,
Okay.
I came to my local location. So you meant to say we should have switched off the location first?
No, sir. First we select that location that will be captured in memory. So it not comes again your location. Now I am now in Chennai, but I selected in before that in Andhra Pradesh location. My first complete edit again. This will be comes on that location only. Before that, before drawing, we can select the location is the best.
Before starting drawing,
yeah,
we have to go to that location. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Yes, that is the easy way. If before that you can join, select edit option in your location, it comes again your location only. So
Yes.
my suggestion is first you select which area you want to drawing, select that location. After that only you can select contribution, add maps. So that is for easy way to again you can drawing that location only.
One more. Then, if enable or if you the location is disabled, then it will not stay the same way.
Yeah, not compulsory. This is the easy way.
Okay.
So if you, it is best way. You can keep this only for in further. So
Okay.
And one more, if anyone drawing in incorrect drawing, we can report that only. So I find incorrect drawing area. First, just hold on. I find the incorrect drawing area. Maybe maybe this is not this is not a road. I think satellite shows this is not a perfect road. Maybe body field road. Body field
Yeah.
road.
Yes.
So I think this is not perfect road. We can report that only. Uh, I think this is. I will try. Uh, Not proper road. This is. It is
Okay.
not proper road. We
Okay.
can try this. We can
Okay.
try this to report.
Okay.
Uh, so select contribution. Select contribution. It will be take some time for another system. So I will wait for that only. Okay, select edit map. Select edit map. Wrong information. Fix wrong info or wrong road. Select that one. Fourth one. Wrong information. All are visible that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, my system not showing that one. So I asked to you. So okay. So select the road. Select that road. Touch that road. It will be show blue color line. Okay. Okay. So two option is there. Unnamed road and add missing place. So we want report unnamed road. Select that unnamed road. One menu is open. Road name or close or block or traffic direction. Road does not exit. Drawing incorrectly. So this is road does not exit is the right one. So you select road does not exit. If you have any message for you can put it. So I write it is not road. After that, you can select right side corner, upper corner, send. That report also very successful. Report, we get report 5 points. So my suggestion, you can draw new roads, you get 15 points. So with the report road, not must, but you identify right places, incorrect drawing, and without road, you can report that it is useful. I have one bad experience in Mailadurai last 2 years back. I was driving in by car from Kumbakonam to Mailadurai. Midnight, I want to go to one village before river is there. So I don't proper road. I select Google Map that shows one short route. I tried that route. That road was ended by in river. In case I miss it, my car fall down in that river. So that time I report that incorrect drawing. It's not a road. It is uh, incorrect road. I will report at that. And one more experience in Rajasthan. I want to go the Rajasthan in tourist, but that time I visit many temples only. So my childs are asking for um, entertainment area. So I find one dam, but the driver asking no dam in your area. So I assure that map showing the dam, so you can drive this route. After only I decided it is not a dam or anything. So at that time I go to the follow that route in Google Maps, but I go to the one lake, not a dam. That road was drawing in the lake area, so in water area. So I stopped that one. In this is my too bad experience that in I find wrong information. I immediately report that for Google Maps. It is useful tool for everyone. So many people wrongly drawing the roads. So this is a must for local guides. You can drawing for the right information. You find wrong information also. We cannot give the photography, and we cannot write the reviews. One more important in road also, you can concentrate drawing the roads and report the roads, everything. So any doubts for more information for road, you can ask me anytime for this. And now you want to ask any question, kindly ask me.
Sir, my question is, here down my building is a garden. It shows Munna Muni Park, but
Okay.
we search the direction, it doesn't show. From metro,
Okay.
it shows up to the road, but the direction
Okay.
exact doesn't show. So should
Okay.
I start from Munna Muni Park to that metro station? Should I show the direction? Or you showed
Yeah.
us now
I
mapping?
can I close my screen my screen. You can show that area. I find that area. I will give the suggestion for you.
Okay,
Okay.
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 No, how
Just
you showed, I understood how you showed, but my question
okay.
is, I should show from the area to
Okay.
metro, or from metro I should show to the park. It
Okay.
is
Okay.
Both
right
are
from
same. Both are same.
both are
Both are
same,
Both
same.
are
huh?
same.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So
Anybody else?
can I close
Sir,
my screen?
No,
sir,
sir.
1 minute, sir.
Please, please, please
Okay.
wait. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Devi ma'am asked one question. For writing reviews and all, we are there in particular location, right? If you're example, if you are writing review in, about restaurant, we are there in place and we have to write the review and uploading. So, what our question is, if we are drawing the road, whether we have to be in that place or not required.
I cannot understand. Please
Yeah, it
reply
is not required. You
strategically.
can just, yeah, sir. Devi, you can draw from Indonesia, you can draw in India, no problem.
Yeah, international.
Also,
Ah,
doesn't
Pasal,
affect the trust
yeah,
score.
sorry, is it not possible?
Possible.
It doesn't
Maybe.
affect the trust score. Trust score. It's like a review. If we review the places and we're not in that places, it affects our trust score. But is it drawing road? Is it affect the trust score if we draw some road and we never been there?
So maybe after the local guide program that is closed, I think many I am I tried. I am not trying the other country, but now only I am drawing in India only. Before MapMaker, around the world I will drawing roads. So after that local guide, many restriction is coming. So maybe in your area only possible to drawing maps.
Okay, I'll answer Devi. Devi, there are 2 points Arul sir has told. Number one, better that let us stay in our country. Okay. Number two, you can draw even if you have not gone to the place. Road drawing and the trustedship will not affect, because roads are to be drawn in areas people have not visited. So using common sense, I am telling that we can draw roads in places which we have not visited. Yes, it should be possible, and it should not affect your trusted level. It will not affect our trust level. Okay? Over. Yes, anybody else? I would like to make a point. Yes, there is one more expert here by name.
I have a question.
Yes, just 1 second. Just 1 second, dear LG. That is regarding Mukesh Rastogi. He has been one of the active road maker, road drawing person. Mukesh Rastogi, can you just say how many thousand kilometers, how many 100 kilometers you have drawn?
Yes, sir. Last year I have got.
Others, 1 second, sir. Others, please kindly mute for a second. Everybody.
Hello. Do you hear me, sir?
Yes, we are hearing.
Sir, in 2019, I got a chance from Google to use Road Mapper website of Google Road Mapper website. There's some tasks were given to me to identify the roads and draw. I have drawn about 1,500 kilometers of unmapped road in Myanmar, Ethiopia, and Venezuela. I have spent about 15 days to draw these roads, and a reward was also given to me from Google, approximate 3,000 rupees gift Flipkart gift vouchers for it.
Oh, congratulations! Congratulations!
I frequently use that road mapper also, when I have time, spare time, to draw the routes.
Okay. Thank you.
But today I got the chance to know about draw the road on Google Maps app from Mr. Prakasham sir.
Yeah, the Google Map Maker now closed. So before that, that one, so I drawing more than 75,000 edits around. I think 10,000 kilometers drawing around the world.
That's great.
But maximum in South India. I drawing in South India. 2000, I think 2012 or 2013, one mapathon is conducted here in India. For I am at that time I am in top 10. I got a gift from the Google Nexus 4.
I see. That's great.
Yeah. So many, I got many rewarded, and many position and everything. I am the only one map maker trusted for editor. One and only Indian. So others all in Googler only.
Okay. Thank you.
That I got that in 2012.
Yes, sir. Yes. So somebody wanted to ask Arul sir some question. Please, LG, please come on and ask the question, please.
Sir, is there any possibility to add that paddy field road? No?
Arul sir, Paddy Field Road.
Sir,
Paddy Field Road.
that is not a right road. So we can.
Yeah, we understood there is no possibility to go the car or anything, but we know the walkable or two-wheeler is.
But that is not a right road. But all are using that way. But we cannot give that information to right road. So my suggestion: do drawing that that area.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. I also have a question. My name is Ekant Puri. First of all, thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to join this session. And it's really, I would say I've learned a lot of things. So actually, I just wanted to ask you one thing, like there are some areas which are very complicated and congested. So while drawing a road, should I select an option of biking and walking because you can't drive a car there?
So you select option, you can input that message option. This is only for use two-wheeler. This is only for walkable area. Before that, in MapMaker, that option is there. So only park
Here
area.
is also an
so
option,
only
local road,
yeah. Now
road,
that option has before that option, many option is have now restricted. Only giving 4 options only: main road, local road, and small road and village road. Everything only it will be displayed. Before that, this is only used for path. This is only cycling area. So we can now drawing this option only. So whatever it is have, we can drive that only.
But here I can see the option of car park and biking, walking.
Where?
So car parking it is not a road. That is a parking area. You know,
Yeah,
you
so
not
I should mention here
drawing a
local
road.
road or biking.
Yeah, okay. Best you want identify that local road. You can drawing local road. If identify in main road, so main road for state highway is the main road. National highway is the main road. In otherwise, you can drawing a local road only.
Okay, so thank you.
And I would like to, Ekantpuri, we will interact directly. I would like to learn where you are getting biking, etc.
Here is a road type section. There is showing local road, main road, car park, biking, walking trail.
In which page?
In the ad section road, after I have just given the name
Okay,
unnamed road.
we will discuss it separately one to one, and then I will clarify from Arul Prakasham sir. That is better. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So anybody else? Anybody else?
Yes. I have a question.
Please.
Recently, I tried to add a road in my area. That road connect to local road, but doesn't exist in map. I draw the road and giving a proper name, but Google doesn't verify. I want to know what is the contribution to draw a road.
It will be take a time. My edit more than 100 now still waiting for the approvals. So this time I got approval. I drawing more than 2 months back, so 100 edits. This COVID-19 time only I got approval. So it will be take a time. Not it is not working in any algorithm. So that is problem to take the times.
See, what he is trying to tell is, some cases it takes time. Some cases it may come fast. If there are so many LGs who have reported the same road, for example, so it can come out fast. You become the 10th one, all the 10 will get the clearance. So sometimes you are alone, it may take its own time. Maybe a couple more of people they may wait for. I hope you got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Anybody else? Or then
Hello. Yeah, sir.
Sandeep.
One of my question has been answered by you already, but I think I might get few more questions while using practically because I have not touched this road mapping till now. So later on, where can I contact? Can I send these questions in group?
Yep, we will circulate the this thing, and as well as he is available in our group.
Okay,
I will
okay.
add sir in group. You can tag him and speak in our group.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
good.
Yeah. So Arun sir,
Yes, sir.
with the limited time, so we will conclude only for this session and request you to come back and help us. I know you are a treasure of knowledge as far as Google Map is concerned. So we we request you on behalf of everybody that please kindly come back again and give us your knowledge. You
Yeah,
can
sure,
tell
sir.
us. Yes, we are very happy, and honestly speaking, such a
Thank you,
simple
thank
way
you.
to tell about a road. I have never ever had an experience like this, and
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
sure in the next 1 month we will draw at least couple of dozens and report back to you. Say you taught us and we did it. So thanks a lot,
Yeah.
sir, and others,
thank you.
the host and other people. Yes, please convey your regards. Satyaraj, I call upon you.
Thanks,
Thank you, sir.
Arul sir, for wonderful session. Even I too don't know, sir. Even we meet couple of meetup, but I don't know how to draw the roads. So now this session is wonderful session, and definitely all the attendees might know how to draw the road maps. Thank you, sir. Thanks for the wonderful session, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, really thanks. Really thanks. And I take your permission from Arulji to go to mute, and I can start the next session.
Sure.
Dear all, I think we had a wonderful session, and I'm sure if time permits, we will continue a little more time on the photography. That is not photography. Actually, we say like that. No, this session is for photos for Google Map. It's not photography. I was only trying to say, people always ask. So this session is not for photography. Camera, no. We are talking about photos for Google Map. Okay. So I think I should be there by an ID called Anjan or Anjan ITD. Can you all open that Anjan ITD on your screen? Anjan ITD. If you're opening, then I am just starting resume. Yes, resume presenting. Yes, I had already. I hope. Okay, and I will also see.
Yes, sir, it's opening.
Pardon?
Visible, sir.
Yeah, it's visible, sir. It's
visible. Yeah, and I should be able to give me 10 seconds to get into full screen mode. Presenting. No, I guess. So I'm just stopping and restarting. Please give me 10 seconds. Yes. Window. Yes. Share. Full screen. Yes. I am back. Can you hold me? Satya, can you hear me? Satya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you and see the screen.
Yeah. Okay. Now I have muted my video, and then we will start off. One request to everybody: I will be going little fast. So what we will do, and then I'll publish this PowerPoint, so you can go over that if you have any doubt. Next session, because this session we have some shortage of time, so I will go through the slides little fast, and what we have doubts we will clear in the next. I hope all will cooperate with us. So, photos for Google Maps. Intermediate level. So, all other. Hello, can everybody mute the mic, please? Okay. And Satya, kindly not any message, please. Notice for any message. Okay, now we are proceeding. Now, please understand that we are not here for any photography class. Instead, we will be here for photos for Google Maps. So, this is a continuation of the first part to the second. Log into your Google account, and then what you can expect from this session. In these slides, you can an intermediate level of discussion on Google Maps photos, a joint presentation prepared by me and Satyaraj, LG Satyaraj, who is the host of today. Thank you, Satyaraj, for your very efficient work and excellent follow-ups. I thank you. Next, this effort is for better pictures. I'm sorry, there is a couple of spelling mistakes. Excuse us. Better practices to publish valuable photos in Google Maps. Okay, that is our effort. So, photos for Google Maps. This discussion is not on photography, but on photos for Google Maps. Points which can guide you to take better photos suitable for Google Maps. These discussions are based on my experience in Google Maps, LG Connect, and my experience in photography. Now, I'm trying to take some sample to explain you what can be the sequence of photography possible to show a particular POI. POI means point of interest, a location, a hotel, a restaurant, or a zoo, or a museum, or a park is point of interest, or POI. So suppose we take a national park or zoo. Well, how can we take the sequence of photos? We reach from some railway station or auto drops us to the parking or for the entrance, main entrance. From there we pass to the ticket counter, and it goes to the wheelchair availability, rules and regulations, and these are different, what we in photography we say frames you can capture, which can help the next visitor. This is most important. Whatever we are doing by capturing photo, I know you will get 5 points, etc. Leave it there aside. Here we are looking at the optimized photographs. So, or how to take photographs for Google Maps in the right way. Take these sequences which I have given in as samples. It is just a samples. If you take a zoo, take the animals and bird specific areas and resting places, because usually we don't understand where are the resting places. So if there are restaurants or parlors, these are the sequences I am mentioning. We will go to one restaurant again, which will give you a little more ideas. So once I publish these slides, go through this and get back to us with your queries. So I am just left that zoo there. We move on to the photos from a restaurant. I have visited a restaurant. I have taken some photos. What was my approach? What was my angle of thinking? How I took the photos? As soon as I get out of my car or my vehicle, I start taking the view of the restaurant. Okay. Then I go to the go towards the restaurant. Then I take the car parking. I will definitely try to avoid the number boards to come. Nameplates are actually not legal to be shown. So we go to a side of the car and try to take the photo. That is the best always. Next, then the name board of the restaurant, it can be very helpful. And our Satyaraj has shared some photos, which we will see little later. And again, the hotel entrance, inside we go, the table and chair, the arrangements, so that people can feel what is the quality of the interior. The wheelchair accessible dining, that is whether it is available, if so, where it is available, and menu card, which is again important. Remember, if the single sheet menu card try to take both sides and any of the food you have tasted. I would like to remain with what we are tasting and what is our experience. So next, so here, if there is a fruit juice counter or cash only or online payment, again online payment indications have been photographed by our Satyaraj. We will show it again. And if there are some children entertainment area or play area, these are the things you can really add, or these photos can really add value to your review. So this, we know photographs are a part of your review. So I just quickly scanned because of the shortage of time. In every of these, simply take menu card. How to take menu card without glare? If it is, there are so many things I wanted to say, but that we will do in some other section. First, you get into the grip of the session. Here are some photos by Satyaraj with the heading. He shows at the entrance of a park. Which park it is, Satyaraj? Can I?
It's Gindi National Park, sir. Gindi.
Gindi National Park.
Yes.
The next is a ticket counter which shows including the ticket rates. Very good. So next, hotel entrance. Okay, where the first one Arias and the second one in Tamil is we read it as Andapar. That is a chain in Tamil Nadu and some other part of South India. And now again you can see these are all photos supplied by our Satyaraj. He is a good photographer. Yeah. So some of the dishes along with the name of the dishes, it always helps people like Devi, her mouth will start watering and we enjoy. Thank you. Next, awards and certificates. Yes, this is another very helping point. Awards and food certificates of a restaurant can help us a lot to understand, they have gone through the standards. Next, the online payment options. Although, yeah, I mean, usually we cover it, no need to show it exactly, just blur it, Satyaraj, so that the protection is taken. So blur the QR codes or Paytm codes in future. So this is the last called the parking area or the signboards, including purified drinking water. Drinking water in a park or in a zoo and many places. It is very important to mark so that while people planning, they know so many water resources are available. Now, up to here, I am sure you have quickly followed. I will be publishing. We will be publishing it by tomorrow. Am I right, Satyaraj? We can publish it by Sunday evening. This PowerPoint, okay? In both in PowerPoint show mode as well as in PDF, we will be publishing in the group. Kindly pick it up from our group. Grooming group. What I mean, the WhatsApp group, grooming group. The members who are attending this meeting and who want to join the group can approach any of the admin members or Satyaraj or Jasor Hassan or any member who are the members over there. So next, see, we wanted to take this session in detail. This is what we call as do's and don'ts of Google Photos, Photos for Google Maps. These are the most important topics, which I don't want to squeeze your time. I know there are other meetups lined up today after 6. So I'm taking another couple of minutes, and I'm going to say that yes, here we are going to quickly see the slides only. I'm not going to get into the details at all. So here are take photos in landscape mode. This is one thing which is very important. Google crops your photos automatically into landscape mode. So if you take landscape mode, the cropping will be minimum. Starting from there, so many suggestions have been given. Most of them, if you read, you will get the idea. So I don't want to get into line by line now. Instead, we will get into line by line in the next session. because there are so many points which I can explain. Next, also the do's only, don'ts comes afterwards. Keep the location or GPS on always. This helps you a lot. The details we will come with that in the next session. So there had been some topics going on. How many photos optimally we can put? I would say optimally, internationally, we said 20 photos per POI. Maximum is 20 or optimally is 20. But there are cases or the thing zoo or monuments or museums, parks, where you may be capturing important points which may be 100 photos. Maybe sometimes in a zoo 200 photos. So let us say that is also Google will be happy, although they will be taking 20 to show you. Next, don'ts. Again, due to time lag, time shortage, we don't want to go in detail, but that red ones I would like to mention. Do not post one photo in 2 sites or 2 POIs. Remember, Google is smart enough. Their servers are even more smarter, and they will immediately find out, and the end result will be your account will be suspended. Not long time, 1 error or 2 errors, they may skip you, but be careful. Next, the same way, never use others' photo in any way. Means copy from Google, put it on the screenshot, and then don't never ever try screenshots, because the simple rule you can remember is like this: we cannot or we want to use only original genuine photos taken with location. So it proves everything that you have gone there, you have taken the photo there, and it has a a GPS location by which it will be clearly mentioned. I know so many LGs who take screenshot of their own photo. They are not illegally doing. For simplicity, they do it, and to keep the size small. No, don't do it. Even in 360 photographers, please understand, don't ever post mini planet or things like that in Google Map, because it is artificially created. Again, same thing, collages, what you call collages or collages. So the multiple shots in one frame, which you edit and create, kindly never use it. So the next one, of course, there are 2 more slides on tips and technical, so which we will go through the next time. Up to here, this slide will be published. Kindly go through this. The next time we will take this slide in the first 10 minutes and try to see what best we can do. I know our guest Arul Prakasham needs to leave, or he might have already left. I have no idea. But then just keeping at the last slide, can anybody check whether Arul ji has left? Arul Prakasham?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he mentioned it earlier. So we say, now anyone who wants to log out, with full heart I am permitting, no, half heart I am permitting, because if you want to attend anything. Otherwise, kindly others who have not introduced, if you can introduce, that will be the best thing. Satyaraj, back to you. Okay. In case anybody wants to clear any question answer in this time, I will be available for the next 30 minutes. Over to Satyaraj.
Thanks, TG sir, for a wonderful session. Definitely it will help all the LGs. Hereafter, definitely they will take care how to take photos and how the way of taking photos. Definitely they will learn more from this. Thank you, sir. Then shall we introduce one by one, sir? Then before that, please let us know if you have any questions, please.
LGs, do you want me to answer any of the slides today? You can ask. But otherwise, I would like to give an announcement saying there have been a lot of requests for photography group. Of course, we have a premium photography group which is 1 year old. Presently, we don't want to entertain many members there. but there is a new photography coaching, grooming for Google Maps by Morten Coffin. So, you might have seen him at many places, many platforms. He was there with our anniversary also. He, along with Mr. Deron and a team of senior LGs of India, wanted to announce a tutorial session on photographs for Google Maps. That is again not exactly photography. Photography also is included, but more will be focused on Google Maps photos. If anybody is interested, kindly, we will be publishing the same thing in different platforms once it is ready. Now the trials are running, just for your information, and over and back to Satyaraj. Please take it over. Thank you all, my dear friends. God bless you.
Yeah, thanks, Tiju sir. We will take this opportunity to introduce newly joined LGs. Irna, can you please introduce yourself? Irna.
Hey, how are you? My name is Erna. I'm level 8 from Michigan, USA. I was late to join the group, guys, and I would like to see the presentation though. I know the recap or anything that I can go back, and it'll be nice. Okay, hello all.
Sure. Thanks for joining us. Definitely, kindly write your Connect ID and Connect ID so that we will add you in recap post. Thank you. Thanks for joining us.
Satyaraj, he's a global admin, so
yes, sir.
She is very much with us. No problem. I will.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Arna, good evening. Good morning there.
Good morning, sir. I woke up late. How are you all?
We are all fine.
We are good, ma'am.
Next, please.
Yeah, Dr. Rishi, can you please introduce yourself?
This is Rishi Munudvedi from Chennai, local guide level 9. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for joining us. Jay sir, can you take over? Jay sir?
Satyaraj, I'm so sorry, I don't know who are new. So
okay, no problem. Okay. Let me carry out. Okay.
I'll just give the feedback at the last.
Govind, can you please introduce? Okay, Jose.
Govind.
Okay, sir. Okay. Jose, can you please introduce yourself? Jose.
Yeah, good evening, one and all present here. I'm Jose G. Benjamin. As you all know, I'm 11-8 local guide from Central Tamil Nadu, India. Thank you for actually accepting me to this wonderful session. Actually, I learned a lot from Arti and Arul Prakasan sir. Road editing and road adding, even the streets also. And I express my sincere thanks to Satyaraj for host to this wonderful meet. Thank you everyone. Thank you, TG.
Welcome.
Thanks, Jose. Mr. Ekambram, can you please introduce? Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. Can you please touch your screen? You have mic symbol. Just unmute it.
Hi. I'm Ekambram from Chennai, level 7. Okay.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us.
Okay.
Karan, can you please introduce yourself? Karan?
Hello, local guides. I'm Karan Chotlani, level 8 local guide from Pune, India. It was a lovely session. I actually missed out on half of the session as I was attending the Gujarat session, the racer session it was. So it was nice having me here. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. Mayank, can you please introduce? Mayank.
Satyaraj, request everybody to mute, please.
Please, others, please mute yourself. Yeah. Mayank, are you there? Mayank? Okay, Mr. Paul, can you please introduce?
I am Golden Paul from Kolkata, India, and I am the low light level 7.
Satiraj, I just want to say something. Mr. Pai, you had the question right in the chat box, like how many photos of a restaurant should we upload, right?
Yes.
So, TG sir, will you answer that?
Please. There are no strict rules on this. You can upload 0 photo or you can upload 1 photo. But if you upload 100 photo, think about whether it is suitable. Your specific question is on a restaurant. A restaurant, simple answer I will say is optimally maximum 20 photos. Over.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Satyaraj, proceed.
Shivashankar, can you please introduce yourself? Shivashankar. Shivashankar, can you please unmute your mic and introduce yourself? Okay, Soumendra, are we introduced? Soumendra.
Other LGs who have not introduced, please come forward, switch on your mic and say hello. Introduce yourself. Please. If you want to unmute, touch your mobile screen. The logos will come up or pictures will come up. Unmute using the mic photo.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, please.
Hello, hi. I'm Govind from Delhi. Local guide level 8. Thank you.
Mayank, are you there? Mayank? Anyone not introduced, please introduce yourself. Anyone want to introduce, please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Now, I feel, we can conclude. So the word is like this. Now, we will be publishing, most of the details in the group. So those who are not in the group, join there so that you can get the link as well as the PowerPoint. In case anybody who is staying outside the group, please contact Hassan or Satyaraj at your time. So we will be publishing one PowerPoint and the list of LGs who have attended. Yeah, that both Satyaraj, I give you the responsibility along with Hassan to publish these two before tomorrow night, okay, or tomorrow night. Over.